Welcome to English Vocabulary Channel. Today, you are going to learn a new word Xenial. The meaning of the word Xenial is showing hospitality, especially to strangers or guests. The word Xenial is an adjective and it is pronounced as Xeniul or Xeniul. Here are a few examples of Xenial. 1. The host was so Xenial, she made us feel like part of the family. 2. Ancient cultures often placed great value on Xenial behavior toward travelers. 3. Being Xenial helps build trust and connection, even with people you've just met. 4. You could always count on Grandpa to be Xenial. He never let a guest leave without tea and snacks. 5. The locals showed Xenial behavior by welcoming tourists with garlands and traditional music. You will find these examples in the description box below. Did you know? The word Xenial comes from the Greek word xenos, meaning guest or stranger. It's the root of other words like xenophobia, fear of strangers, and xenophile, one who loves foreign cultures. Quick quiz. What does Xenial mean? A. Fearful of strangers. B. Extremely polite. C. Hospitable toward guests. D. Curious about travel. Drop your answer in the comments below. Your challenge today: use the word Xenial in a sentence and share it in the comments. Let's grow our vocabulary together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell for your daily dose of words.